Natalie here.
And Victoria.
And today we are back at it again with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we show you how to recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. Today we have Sarah's request. She wanted a split arch to flank a cross that she would have for her ceremony space, and she wanted to use the runners for a more full look. And we incorporated some meadows and garland, so I think it turned out really good.
I know it turned out.
And Victoria is going to tell us everything we needed to use today.
Yes, so today we used 2 Kate floral runners, 4 Kate garlands, 2 floral meadows at the bottom, and then 4 short stands. Those stands we kind of used 2 and 2 and attached them for the base of these open arch.
Yes, and this literally took us like 50 minutes.
15, yeah.
Like, at most, seriously, it was super quick, but it's very, very impactful, and I can't wait to see how everyone recreates this for their special day. All right, let's get into it. Let's start with our runners. First, we're gonna have to attach these together. I use 2 short stands on each side. We'll attach them with zip ties. That'll be secure, and then we'll be able to add a runner on top. Make sure those are secure. Our runners look like this in the front, and then they have 3 point of contact on the back with Velcro. So all you're gonna do is Velcro it around the stand. That's exactly. And this is like foolproof.
This
like,
is so cool.
Thinking, going from this way and attaching.
She wants them to be even?
Yeah. So she wants them to kind of be curved a little bit.
Okay.
So I'm going to go from the outside.
Are you attaching it to the front?
Yes.
Okay.
And attach it with a zip tie. Attach another one on the left side. Final step will be to add the meadow, and all you're going to do is place it in the center at the bottom.
The same way? Like with the high side?
And there you have it, a simple but looks very impactful install. It is tall, almost, it is taller than Victoria.
It is 6 foot tall, I guess, if I'm 4'11". And it's
Well,
almost 5 foot and then 6 foot.
I'm 5'4".
Yeah. Yeah, pretty much 6 foot tall.
Yeah, and her cross is 8 foot.
Yeah.
I think she told me. So yeah, we love how this turned out. So pretty much how our how-to works is you submit your picture that you want us to recreate, which is the most important, your colors. If you don't have a collection already picked out, let us know your colors. We'll be happy to suggest a few, your budget, and where you want to decorate, and we kind of just go from there, and we help you. We take the guesswork out of it, and we kind of help you figure out how many products you need and what you need to recreate that look you're going for. If you want to submit your own requests, be sure to fill out the form in the description. It is below.
If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. If you want to have a say in what we do next, be sure to fill out the form in the details of this video, and we will see you next time.
Bye.